Here, the figure above shows a standard normal distribution curve with mean 160 and standard deviation d. Now here is my mean 160 here. If the value of 148, now 48 has to be present somewhere here, it is at 12 percentile. So 12 percentile means here we can see it will correspond to 2 to 14 in the curve, 2 to 14 percentile. Now, so here we get the range 160 minus 2d and 160 minus d. So here we plug in the values of options given here. 160 minus 2 into 5 is equal to 150. Then we have 160 minus 5, which gives me 155. Now 48 is not lying here. This is not the option. So we have 160 minus 2 times 10, which gives me 140, and we have 160 minus 10, which is giving me 150. So this is my answer B. Thank you.